is Matt Davey. I'm with Black Networks. We're here helping run the Plugfest. We also have some products that are running in the Plugfest today. The Plugfest is a way to show interoperability amongst a lot of different SDN products. So we have, I think, 13 or 14 different companies with products in the Plugfest today, showing various demos of them working together. There's people bringing applications, some folks that brought SDN controllers, as well as switches, and the demonstrations kind of run the gamut of different things you can do with SDN. So to get them all plugged together, we relied in the Plugfest pretty heavily on the vendors coming in and making their demonstrations work in the Plugfest. So they know their products best, and we relied on them to come in and get everything working.
My name is Bill McFall from Overture Networks. I'm here at ONS. Plugfest allows multiple vendors to take their equipment and connect it up. So what we have set up over here is we've got 2 or 3 layer 2 switches all running OpenFlow, and they're connected up to a common controller. Right now we're talking to an NEC controller, but we may look at connecting to another controller as well. So that is just trying to get the different equipment to talk together. The goal is to connect multiple vendors together to a common controller to show the ease of SDN and the ease of OpenFlow. So what Overture is doing is we have a layer 2 switch that's showing OpenFlow, and then we have what we call our ensemble architecture, which is running software on a server connected to a controller. And the demo that we have is showing dynamic bandwidth. So a customer can come up, connect with no service, log in, create an account, and then get bandwidth, and then at a later time come in and decide if his bandwidth is too low, we can up the bandwidth, and what we use, we call the controller, and download a flow using OpenFlow. We have multiple vendors. We've got Overture, Dell, NEC, Huawei, and a host of others.
Hi, my name is Asim, and I'm part of Dell Networking, part of product management in Dell Networking. And we are participating in the Plugfest with the Z9000 and the S48N series platforms from Dell. And we are interoperating with controllers like NEC, Floodlight, and Big Switch. So essentially the Dell OpenFlow implementation is compliant with any OpenFlow 1.0 compliant controller, and we are showcasing that as part of the Plugfest. So I think it's very important to have interoperability because I think one of the biggest advantages of doing SDN is to have a network which is interoperable with any vendor, and have different components in the network which are interoperable.
Hi, I'm Steve Garrison with Pika 8. So Pika 8 is focused on open networking. We actually believe that's an idea that's bigger than SDN, which might surprise some viewers, because we're trying to help the industry transition to white box switches with portable and extensible operating systems, so the buyer can buy the shell and the operating system they want from multiple suppliers. So the goal behind any Plugfest is to show that the technology is actually mature enough to interoperate with multi-vendor environment. With an early stage standard, customers don't want to get locked in from one vendor. They really believe the standard means multi-vendor, so therefore having as many companies in the Plugfest showing that we can interoperate is a proof point. We believe that OpenFlow is a part of an SDN solution. So in this case, we're actually just focusing on OpenFlow in the Plugfest though. Plugfest show the community that a specific piece of glue is functioning and allowing the vendors to actually interoperate past packets.
Hi, I'm Shivram Mysore. I'm with Infoblox. I'm actually the technical strategist in the office of CTO. The thing is that you have a whole range of companies, okay, who build switches and controllers and that kind of stuff. And they also have very interesting applications, okay, some of them that we have thought about, some of them that we have not thought about. What we believe is that it is actually SDN via OpenFlow. Okay, that is what we are actually showcasing. All of our stuff is OpenFlow enabled, and there is the SDN aspect to it.